Hello everyone, welcome to the WSA Internship project. Team members are Rutuja Bobde and Shravani Gaud. I myself, Rutuja Bobde, is pursuing BTech degree in Pepperchinchwad College of Engineering, Pune.
My name is Sarah Shravani Gaud, and I am excited to present my project for the Full Stack Web Developer Internship. This report documents the development of a food ordering website as a part of a full stack web development internship using the MERN stack. This project was guided by the mentors from the WSA program. Over the past few weeks, I have been working on building a website using the MERN stack. Full stack web developer internship is focused on gaining practical experience in building and deploying full stack web applications using the MERN stack. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. These technologies work together to create a seamless development experience from the backend to the front end. As a full stack developer, we can handle everything from the database management, backend logic, and server side operations to front end design and user experience. The internship emphasizes learning how to integrate these technologies, solve real world problems, and build projects that are both functional and efficient. This experience provides hands-on learning and prepare interns for the roles in web development, working with both client-facing and server-side technologies. This project is a complete web application that allows users to browse a dynamic food menu, place orders, and process payments online. Coming to the next slide, food order website. This project involved the creation of a comprehensive food ordering website from scratch. The website allows users to browse menus, place orders, track deliveries, and manage their accounts. Food order website is a full stack web application that allows users to browse menus, select dishes, place orders, and track their order status online. This project utilizes the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js to ensure a seamless and responsive user experience. The backend is handled by Node.js, providing APIs for the user authentication, order management, and menu updates. MongoDB is used to store user data, orders, and menu items, ensuring that the data is structured and retrievable. React ensures the UI is responsive and dynamic, delivering a smooth user experience. User registration and login, menu browsing and cart functionality, order placements, order tracking, admin panel, and front end provides an interactive user interface with the components that handle user input and dynamic content rendering. Backend handles business logic such as verifying user input and processing orders. Database MongoDB stores user information, menu items, and order details in a flexible document structure. And the next slide is overview. The food order website is a full stack web application designed to provide a seamless and efficient online food ordering experience for both customers and restaurant administrators. Built using the MERN stack. The platform allows users to browse restaurant menus, add food items to their cart, place orders, and track them in a real time. For administrators, it offers functionality to manage orders and update the menu, ensuring smooth operations for the restaurant. User authentication. User can register and log in securely using JSON web tokens. Menu browsing. User can view item details such as descriptions and prices and add them to their cart. Cart management. User can add, remove, and adjust quantities of items in their cart. Order placement. User can proceed to checkout where they provide delivery details and select a payment method. Order tracking. Notifications are sent as the order progresses through different stages. Admins can update order status, which is reflected in real time for the users. Food order website. Power of a modern web technologies to create a robust platform. And project flow is the project flow of the food order website outlines the steps involving user interactions. User visit website, the user lands on the home page, user registration, user login, and menu browsing, viewing the menu. The user can browse food categories such as starters, main course, desserts, etc. Selecting items, cart management, order placement, order tracking, and admin authentication, menu management, add new menu items, update or remove the items, order management. This flow ensures that the both customer and admin sides of the application operate smoothly. And coming to the goals of internship, as a full stack web developer intern, the key objective are to gain hands-on experience and build foundational skills that contribute to the successful development of a web applications. Here are the specific goals of the internship. Develop a food ordering website, collaborate with mentors, gain hands-on experience with the MERN stack, learn best practice for the web development. The the internship aimed to provide practical experience in full stack web development using the MERN stack.
The project requirements were user authentication, menu management, order management, payment processing, delivery management, and etc., which are fulfilled in this project using various softwares like Cloudinary, Mailtrap, Node, MongoDB, Stripe, and VS Code for all the purposes. This is the diagram of the architecture showing how the data get transferred from one platform to another. Uh, Here, React is used for front-end. For backend, Node.js is used, Express.js, and for database, MongoDB is used. MongoDB was used as NoSQL database for storing information. Express was used as web framework for Node.js, and React is used for improving the user interface. This is how the project is implemented. Also, the payment processing is done using Stripe. User information is being updated in the database as there is new user or any other information like placing order and its details.
3, 2, 1.
Now let's look in the project. Here we had opened two terminals, one for the backend, one for the front end. So in one terminal, let's move to the backend directory. Further, run the command npm install --force. Further, after completion, run the command npm start. Now we can see that MongoDB database connected with host. It means we had connected the database. Now we are going to run the front end in another terminal. So we had changed the directory and run the command npm start for the deployment. starting the deployment server, and this deployment is successful. Now we get redirected to our home page of the website. Here we can see our logo and number of restaurants, that is 8 restaurants. We can filter by pure wage, sort by review, and sort by ratings, so it gets sorted. Let's log in. So I had my credentials where I had sign up, so I am going to log in here. Now I am again redirecting to my home page, where now I can see my name and the avatar and various restaurants. On clicking to Haldiram, list of food items get displayed. Now I am adding the food items to the cart, so we can get the message item added to the cart. Like lachha paratha paneer, I had added to the cart. Now let's increase the items. I had increased aloo tikki. Also I can reduce the number. Now let's move to the cart, so we can see what the things we had ordered, what are the food items. Here we can also delete any item if we don't want. Also now let's change the quantity of food item, like I had changed to 3 and again to 2. We can add or subtract any food item here. Now let's move to the payment details by clicking on checkout button. So here we had redirected the payment page which has Stripe login IDs. Here I had my all details earlier, as I had tried before also, so I did not need to fill the details again and again. This we can see our order is placed successfully, and here are the order details which I had ordered and what is the date of order, what is their status. Also now we can see the actions like clicking on the I button. Now we can see that all the food items, what are their status, payment, and my details of the order. Now clicking on cart again, we can see cart is hungry. This means our cart is now empty. Now again in my profile I had one more option like edit option, so I can change my details, like I had written Rutuja at the start and now converted to Rutuja Bobde. I can see user updated successfully, and my name is also changed from Rutuja to Rutuja Bobde. Also we can log out, so we get the message logged out successfully. Now let's try login for new user. So I had entered new credentials like my teammate Shravani, entered her name, email, and password which I want to set. Also entered password again for the confirmation. Further added the phone number. Now I had chosen avatar from browse. Here you may not see the folders which I am choosing due to some privacy content. Now I had registered, and we can see the name has arrived, Shravani Gaud, and the avatar. Now here also I am able to see the restaurants Now I am clicking anyone and adding items to the cart. So I can see here also the message items added to the cart. Now let's move to the cart and check our order details. Let's click on checkout button. So we will be directed to the payment page. As this is a new user, I need to fill all the details like name, shipping address, contact number, and the card information which the user may be using. So let's fill out the details. As now details are filled completely, so click on the checkbox. Make sure that phone number is entered properly and click on the pay button. So the processing gets started. After completion, we get again redirected to the page and can see that our order is placed successfully. Again same, we can see here the actions like our order details, means name, phone number, etc. Now again for the profile, we can edit it and get the message user uploaded successfully, and further I had logged out. So this was the overall project made during the internship using complete MERN stack web development, that is MongoDB, E for Express, R, React, and Node.js.